In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit videos in Canva. If you want a simple way to make quick video edits without using complicated editing software, Canva is a great option. It's beginner-friendly, web-based, and makes it easy to work on video projects directly in your browser. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to get into Canva, locate your file, and open it in the editor so you can start making changes. First, go to Canva in your web browser. Once the site loads, make sure you're on the main Canva homepage. This is where you can access your designs, templates, and creative tools. If you're not already signed in, you may need to log into your account before continuing so you can access your projects and uploaded files. Next, look for the Create button and click on it. This is the starting point for opening a new design or working with existing content. Canva places this option in a visible area so you can quickly begin a project. Clicking Create helps you move into the workspace where your media and editing options are easier to access. After that, click on Uploads. This section is important because it stores the media files you've added to Canva, including videos, images, and other assets. If your video has already been uploaded, you should be able to find it here. If you have a lot of files saved in Canva, take a moment to scan through the thumbnails carefully so you choose the correct video. Once you're in Uploads, select your video. Clicking the video highlights it and tells Canva that this is the file you want to work on. Make sure you choose the right one before moving forward, especially if you have multiple clips with similar names or previews. Taking an extra second here can save time later. Then, click on Edit. This opens your selected video in Canva's editing interface, where you can begin making adjustments. From there, you'll be able to work with the clip inside Canva's editor and continue building or refining your video project. This is the point where your actual editing workflow begins. And that's it. You've now opened a video for editing in Canva. If you're following along, you should be inside the editor and ready to start customizing your content. As a quick tip, it's always helpful to double check that you selected the correct file before editing, especially when working on multiple projects. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.